So for the first assignment, I found a full-time job that I might qualify for after graduation. I found it on jobsandsports.com, so I have it here. Let me find the circle. Maybe it's that one. So this kind of outlines what the job is. So this kind of outlines what the job is. So it sounds like I'd be working with students. So the other thing about jobs in sports is it doesn't necessarily tell you like the school or university. I think that's for like hiring privacy reasons. So that's actually not on there. But yeah. It also doesn't give you the starting salary, but the job title is, it's actually up here. Oh, goodness. Well, this really sucks. Central Region Fan Service Manager. And then these are the qualifications that you need. Hold on. Oh, hold on. You need a bachelor's degree in sports. Like sports management would be good. And then I have 2 or more years of office and clerical experience, so I could work in there. And then look, there it is, all pretty on my Google Doc. This was the original. As you can see, Google Draw kind of messes up the quality, but that's it.